Hello everyone! Today I want to create a sling bag using vinyl leather. I hope this tutorial can help you to make a handbag. If you have any question about this tutorial, just comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Arden's Video, if you like to get more videos about bags making. Thank you and happy crafting! Step 1. Material preparation. Prepare all the materials you need to create this handbag. In this tutorial, we use vinyl leather as the outer and thin polyester fabric as the inner material. Please comment if you need the pattern. These are the accessories that I use for making the handbag. Step 2. Sewing the strap. Fold the vinyl leather like this. Use clipping pins for help. Add the loop ring and sew it at the end of the leather. Put the other rectangle ring too. Don't forget to make the end strap. Step 3. Sewing the outer body. We want some decoration for the body part so that our sling bag doesn't look boring. Take the back part of the body. Fold the vinyl leather on this area and hold it using pin needles. Take the front body area and mark the center area using pin needles. Fold the leather like this, so we create a nice effect for the vinyl leather. Use pin needles to mark this area. Make sure we still have the similar foam after we create the effect using pin needles. Then, use clipping pins to stick the front and back body parts for a while. Sew along this area. This is the result. You can cut the unnecessary excess. Sew along this area for the back decoration. Now we have finished creating the outer body part. Step 4. Sewing the inner body. Take the inner fabric and top vinyl leather. Put it together and sew along this area. Do it for both sides. Sew along this area. Don't forget to add magnetic button on the center of the area. Now we have our inner body ready. Step 5. Sewing all parts together. Put the inner body inside the outer body. Use clipping pins to make it easier. Don't forget to add the strap that we have made before. Sew along this area. Now our sling bag is ready. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.